Hello friends, in this video I will show how to put header only on first page in Microsoft Word. So open the Microsoft Word. Now to insert header only in the first page, insert and header. Select any type of header. Now click outside of header and move to second page. Now here click on this first page and layout, break and next page. Now double click on this header area and click on link to previous. Click on outside of header and again click on header. Now remove header. Now double click on outside of header. So we can see now on the first page we have the header. So thanks for watching. Comment this video useful for you.